So we will choose the paint here to use there. Also make a structure. Now we will add a design there. Now we have to use a shape, make a different structure. Thank you for watching a video. Don't forget to subscribe more.